Now we're going to do the oil change procedure. This task requires 2 technicians and the following equipment. A funnel on hooks that can hang onto the bottom of the gearbox, empty bottle, the new oil, a 10mm Allen key to the rope, a 19mm spanner and the hammer. We will start this procedure in position on the turbine. We can use the locking pin to lock off the nacelle at 90-degree angles. Put the locking pin through the base plate and the top of the tower. Now the nacelle is locked in position. Now in position, we're going to set up the equipment to drain the oil from the bottom of the gearbox. First, we're going to slacken off the sump plug in the bottom of the gearbox using the 10mm Allen key and the hammer. We made a funnel on hooks that can hang onto the bottom of the gearbox. We made this ourselves to make oil changes easier. Now we can attach the empty bottle onto the ladder, putting the funnel in first, and slide it up and hook it on. Now we have the funnel set up, we're going to remove the sump plug so that the oil drains from the gearbox into the empty bottle. Once all the oil has drained from the gearbox, we're going to put the sump plug back into the bottom of the gearbox. Now we're going to remove the funnel and the oil bottle, attach them to the rope and lower them to the bottom of the turbine. The second technician now uses a 19mm spanner to remove the plug on the top of the gearbox. When we've removed the bolt from the top of the gearbox, we can now put the funnel in. We can now put the new oil into the gearbox. Once the oil drum is empty, we can then remove the funnel, place the plug on the top of the gearbox and tighten with a 19mm spanner. The oil change is now complete. It's important to remember that when working with oil to think of the environment and always clean up after yourself.